This is a brand new 2014 Toyota Tundra. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, speed-sensitive volume controls, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: the Toyota N-Tune infotainment system, a spray-on bed liner, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a multi-function display, air conditioning, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Don McGill Toyota of Houston is located at 11800 the Katy Freeway, Interstate 10 in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.